You wake up, stretch, grab your coffee, and bam! The moon's gone, replaced by, wait, is that a black hole? Well, there goes tonight's moonlight selfie, but hold on. A black hole where the moon used to be would instantly start messing with gravity, even if it's the same mass. That's like swapping a beach ball with a bowling ball made of space-time terror. A black hole is basically space's version of a glutton. It eats light, matter, and probably missing socks from the dryer. Technically, it's a region in space where gravity is so strong, not even light can escape. When a star dies in a supernova, it can collapse into one. That's what we're dealing with here. A cosmic blender with no off switch. Without the moon's gravity, tides go wild. And Earth's tilt? It's wobbling like a toddler on roller skates. The moon keeps our axial tilt steady at about 23.5 degrees. Without that, Earth's seasons could go haywire. Summers boiling, winters freezing, all unpredictably flipping every few thousand years. No moon, no lunar calendars, no werewolves, and definitely no full moon parties. Farmers would be lost, and lunatics, just ticks. Also, animal behaviors tied to lunar cycles, like sea turtles nesting or corals spawning, would be thrown off. Humanity's nighttime rhythm would be broken, both biologically and culturally. If the black hole weighs the same as the moon, we won't get sucked in, yet. But Earth's orbit could shift, and seasons might start throwing tantrums. Even though gravity depends on mass and distance, the moon's distribution of gravitational force helps buffer Earth's motion. Replace it with a pinpoint mass? You get orbital instability over millennia, and possibly extinction-level weather. Survive? Maybe. Thrive? Only if we invent tidal stabilizers, orbit correctors, and emotional support black hole lamps. In theory, space agencies could launch artificial satellites to replicate some of the moon's functions, like tide modulation or light reflection. But that's decades of research and trillions in funding, just to get back to normal. So next time you see the moon, thank it for not turning into a cosmic vacuum cleaner. Want more space nightmares? Hit that subscribe button before we turn into content black holes. And remember, space doesn't hate you. It just doesn't know you exist.